Welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. Today I'm going to share with you a pulao recipe which I'm going to make with kala chana, methi and other spices and ingredients. This kala chana is very healthy, it's full of protein, and methi, this I've taken fresh methi. This is also very healthy. This is a handful of methi leaves, fresh ones, washed properly. This is 1 cup of boiled chana. I'm going to use this along with this boiled water because this is really very healthy. We shouldn't discard it. 1 medium sized tomato chopped. This is 1 big onion sliced, coriander leaves, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. These are the whole spices. These are 2 small bay leaves, 1 small stick of cinnamon, and 3 cloves, 1 green cardamom, and this is big cardamom, half. And this I have boiled 2 cups of rice. This is parboiled rice, half boiled. This is not fully cooked. This is half boiled. I have drained the starch water, and this is boiled rice. Now I'm going to start making it, and we need oil with this to make. I'm going to add 1 big spoon of oil. After that we are going to add our whole spices. Flame should be like medium low. I'm going to add bay leaves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, half of it I have taken, and these are 3 cloves. These are sputtering now. I'm going to add 1 sliced onion. We're going to roll these onions for 2 to 3 minutes until they are translucent. You don't have to make them brown or cook them fully, just until they are translucent. See, these onions are translucent now. I'm going to add this 1 medium sized chopped tomato. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. This won't take so long. This recipe is like really simple but very healthy and delicious too. You just keep it stirring. I'm going to add these dry spices. Red chili powder, half a spoon. You can put it according to your taste. And half teaspoon of haldi. Little bit of salt because salt is already there in boiled chana and rice. So very little bit. Just for 1 minute, we'll just mix it well. Methi and tomatoes are cooked well together. I'm going to add this 1 green chili. I always use green chilies. I deseed them because then they are less spicier. And now I'm going to add chana along with this chana water that I boiled it with. Just now cook it nicely for 2 minutes on high flame so everything gets blended together. This looks very nice. Chana and methi and everything together. See, now I'm going to add finally this boiled rice in this masala and cook it until the rice gets cooked properly. I'm going to mix it with a light hand properly from all the sides. You can use any rice, basmati rice or normal rice. See, I've mixed rice well together. Now I'm going to leave this on very low flame and cover it. Not with the pressure, just the lid. And we'll cook until this rice gets cooked properly. It's going to take around 5 to 6 minutes to cook. Then we'll check. It's been already 5-6 minutes. Let's check on our rice. Pulao. Yeah, it's done. It's cooked properly. See? I'm going to switch off the gas. This is giving a very nice aroma. I'm going to put coriander leaves finally. And this is optional. If you want, you can sprinkle some garam masala. Little bit garam masala. That's it. Now it's ready to serve. Today I'm going to serve this with bundi raita. You can also serve with plain dahi, papad, pickle. This is very healthy. I've served this chana and methi pulao with bundi raita. This looks amazing and it has nice aroma. I hope you liked this recipe and enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.